My name is Sean. I live in San Marcos and I have my wife Krista, and we have 3 boys. We started thinking about solar pretty early into the process of moving into this new development. I had been speaking with some of our neighbors. Many of them were saying that they were paying $400 and $500 for electricity when the AC was getting going, and I knew with 3 young kids we were only going to be using more energy as they got older, and so we decided to look into solar. I had a couple different vendors out, and I think what got me onto Semper Solaris was one of the quality of the panels, obviously cost and value. Looked online at different forms of feedback and just ultimately went with them because it was the best value and best product. It was really smooth, unexpectedly smooth. Like, it just went flawlessly. They were great at communicating. Not a week went by where I didn't hear something. They scheduled it right away when we were ready to go, and I just couldn't have asked for it to go more smoothly. Our first bill was $9 and some change, which was basically the grid fee, so perfect, exactly what we wanted to have happen. I think going solar is a no-brainer. It just seems in San Diego, with the cost of electricity rising, that it's the thing you need to be doing now as homeowners. And Semper Solaris was just a great product, great service team. I just really enjoyed them all the way through.